Welcome back, student. Today we will start the topic inequality of topic. Class, the word inequality. Inequality is opposite to equality, means equation, right? For example, 2 is equal to 2. 2 के equal है, right? 2 is equal to, it is equal. And if you take 3 is more than 2. 3 is more than 2, it is what is this? This is inequation. 3 is more than 2, right? So today's topic is inequality of triangle. Meaning is that the word inequality today we will study with the help of triangle and not with concern to triangle. Concern means just we do study the inequality of triangle with the sides of triangle, right? I write the three line. I written the three line here. The first line will state that in a triangle, the side opposite to greater angle is longer. What does it mean? Meaning is that I am explaining all three lines with one example. So now take one example here. Last ये मैंने triangle लिया, right? It is angle. Suppose it is 60. It is for example 45. So now this is 75 degree. Okay. These are the three angles I taken: 60, 45, and 75. Okay. We compare two angle B and angle C. You see angle B 75, C 60. So angle B is more than 60. So right here angle B is more than angle C. Clear? And what side opposite to angle B is what? B के opposite क्या है? It is AC. So right here AC is more than और C के opposite क्या है? AB. It is AB. Now it is finished. Simple आपको इतना करना है. Just only you understand this part. If the angle is greater, then side also will be greater. Clear? So it's the first thing. If we compare angle A and angle C, the next part again. So you see angle C is more than angle A, right? So side opposite to angle C is what? It is AB. I write here AB. And side opposite to angle A is BC. So BC comes here. So it is the inequality between AB and AC, right? So this is the first line what I state here. The second line will state that angle opposite to longer side is greater. Meaning is that if we compare a two side, it is very simple thing. Just opposite to this one. So if the sides are greater, then angle opposite to greater side will be greater, right? Angle opposite to longer side will be greater, right? And angle opposite to a smaller side will be smaller. Clear? So this is the second line, and this is the basic thing on which the whole topic is depends. It's a base. It's a fundamental of whole topic. Clear? From these two lines, the third line has created, right? And the third line which is state that I come on the third side, and the third line I'm going to explain. Third side is said that the sum of two sides are greater than third side. In any triangle, right? For example, you take this triangle. It is a triangle ABC, A, B, and C, right? Take any D point here. In such a way means BA produced to D in such a way that AD is equal to AC, right? This is our construction. And then what theorem state that? Theorem simply state that sum of two sides is more than third side. Meaning is that हमें जो proof करना है वही करना है. देखिए AB plus BC is more than AC. Number one thing. BC plus AC is more than AB. ठीक है. देखिए ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. किसी भी आप दो साइडों को ऐड करेंगे थर्ड साइड से मोर देन आएगा. ठीक है. और आप अगर ले रहे हैं कि फ्रॉम AC plus AB is more than BC, right? So it is the theorem. Sum of two side more than third side. ठीक है. तो इसको आपको प्रूफ करना है. हमने जो फिगर ड्रॉ किया है, हम इस फिगर की हेल्प से इसको हम प्रूफ करेंगे. देखिए मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ मैं एंगल्स को नंबरिंग ले लेता हूँ. इट इज एंगल नंबर 1, इट इज एंगल नंबर 2, इट इज एंगल नंबर 3. मैंने एंगल्स को नंबरिंग से रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. क्लियर? फॉर इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्लास देखिए प्रूविंग कैसे होगा इसका, यहां आप देखिए इट इज मेंशन AD इज इक्वल टू AC, इट इज बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन, मैंने कंस्ट्रक्शन किया ऐसा, इट इज बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन, AD इज इक्वल टू AC, एंगल opposite to AD is angle 2 and angle opposite to AC is angle 1, ठीक है। तो 2 and 1 आपस में इक्वल होंगे बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, ये ट्रायंगल आपका आइसोसेलेस हो गया, टू साइड्स इक्वल हैं, बोथ एंगल अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड आर इक्वल, सो एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1, क्लियर। अब मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं एंगल 2 में एंगल 3 ऐड कर दूंगा, नाउ आई एम एडिंग एंगल 3 टू एंगल 2, सो अब क्या हो जाएगा, अब जब आप एंगल 3 को ऐड कर रहे हैं एंगल 2 में, अब ये इक्वल साइन नहीं रहेगा बिकॉज़ अब ये अनइक्वल हो गया ना, सो नाउ इट इज मोर देन एंगल 1, राइट, एंगल 3 मैंने ऐड किया तो ये मोर देन हो गया ना एंगल 1 से, अंडरस्टैंड। सेकेंडली अब देखिए, आप एंगल 2 प्लस 3 को आप ऐड करेंगे तो कौन सा एंगल मिलेगा, एंगल BCD आपको मिलेगा, देखिए BCD, राइट, 2 plus 3 is equal to angle BCD, so right here angle BCD is more than an angle 1. What is the name of angle 1? Angle 1 is A, या आप इसको ADC बोल सकते हैं, BDC बोल सकते हैं, both things are same, it is angle ABC right here, right. Now applying the theorem, side opposite to greater side will be greater, right, will be longer, so side opposite to angle BCD is what, AD, BCD के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है, BD है ना, क्लास BCD एंगल है, और आप देखें साइड कौन सी है, BD, so right here BD and ADC opposite to this angle, which side is there, BC, okay. Now open BD we can divide into two parts, AP and AD. AB and AD is more than BC, right, and we took here AD is equal to AC, so I replaced AD by AC, it comes AB AD plus AC is more than BC. Now this theorem is over now, right, this is our required statement, what we have to prove, AB plus AC is more than BC, right, sum of two sides is more than third side, okay class. After this, now I'm going to start the question which is based on all these three things, three theorems, okay, and upon your exercise 7.4 from NCERT class 9 textbook, this exercise is based on this theorem, okay class. Now I'm going to start the question. Class, the first question of the exercise, it is stated that show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side, which thing we have to prove. For this one we draw one figure, एक figure हम draw करते हैं, it is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, it is A and C, right, and which one is hypotenuse, it is AC, side opposite to angle 90, okay class. Which one we have to prove, you see class, angle B is 90, so angle A will be less than 90, right, and angle C is also less than 90, okay. So there are two steps of this question. First I will compare angle A and angle B, next I will compare angle C and angle B, clear. Right here first write the proving, and you write angle A is less than angle B, because angle B is 90 now, and sum of two sides means angle A plus angle B is angle A plus C is 90, so it is must that angle A is less than angle B, okay, and angle C is also less than angle B, clear है। तो अब यहाँ पर देखिए साइड अपोजिट टू AB is what, it is BC, and side opposite to angle B it is AC. This is the first in equation, first statement. Second, again you write compare B and C, angle C is less than angle B, side opposite to angle C is which one, it is AB, and side opposite to angle B is AC, on comparing these two statement, you see AC is more than BC and AC is more than AB. We can say that AC is the longest side in whole the triangle, right? In all three sides, AC is longest. क्योंकि AC BC से बड़ी है, AC AB से बड़ी है, मतलब AC सबसे बड़ी है, right? So implying that AC means hypotenuse. AC means hypotenuse is the longest side in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle. Class, now question over. It is very simple thing, class, okay? And also right here, angle B is 90, then angle A plus angle C is also 90. Clear? By angles appropriate. Now question over, class. Copy down this one. Class, the second problem. Side AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to point P and Q respectively. The figure is given, and also there are one comparison is given there between the angle, which is states that angle PBC is less than angle QCB, meaning is that this angle is less than to this angle, right? This whole thing is given there. We have to prove AC is more than AB, which we have to make out. हमें ये prove करना है, ठीक है? AC is more than AB. अब हम कैसे करेंगे class? I do start the question form or the given part. It is the given part, right? So I write here angle. आप इसमें एक नई चीज देखेंगे. इनइक्वालिटी में एक डिफरेंट चीज है. मैं आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. It is the explanation part. It is not the question part, right? But also you copy down this question of part. It is if it is mentioned there, x is more than y. If it is mentioned there, x y से greater है. प्लस अगर आप माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसमें, तो यहाँ पर साइन जो है वो रिवर्ट हो जाता है. साइन विल बी रिवर्ट. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, आपको सीखना है, राइट? If you do multiply by minus the whole in equation, then sign will revert. Sign revert हो जाएगा. So I write here first PBC is less than sign angle QCB, right? First I multiplied with the minus sign of the whole equation. मैं इसको minus से multiply करूँगा. It is minus PBC, sign will revert as this one, minus angle QCB. Clear? After this, I add 180 degree on both the side. Okay. अब मैं लिखेंगे on adding 180 degree on both the side. On both side, we get. हमें क्या मिलेगा? हमें लिखेंगे 180 degree minus angle PBC is less than 180 degree minus angle QCB. Clear? Plus now you are applying by the linear pair. You see the linear pair. देखिए क्लास, ये आपका एंगल PBC है. जब इसको क्वालिटी से माइनस करेंगे तो आपको ये एंगल मिलेगा. ये कौन सा एंगल होगा? एंगल ABC, राइट? एंड एंगल QCB जब क्वालिटी से माइनस करेंगे, then you will get angle ACB. आप ये एंगल फॉर्म होगा, राइट? So 180 minus angle PBC, which gives you angle ABC, right? And 180 minus QCB, angle ACB. Clear? Now you applying the theorem. ABC is more than angle ACB. Side opposite to ABC is what? AC. तो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे AC. Okay. And side opposite to ACB is what? AB. Right? And one thing more. Also you write the reason as well. यहाँ पर आपने जो reason जो आपने first आपको थ्योरम दिया था, उस यहाँ पर आप reason यहाँ पर स्टेट करेंगे. आप यहाँ reason लिखेंगे since the side opposite to greater angle is longer. Clear? It is the reason I mentioned here. Now class, question over. It is hence proved. Class, third problem. ये एक फिगर मेंशन है. इसमें गिवन है एंगल A is more than angle B and angle D is more than angle C. It is given there, right? So now, you write first, in triangle ABO, angle A is more than angle B. Sorry, angle B is less than angle A. Okay, so side opposite to angle A is OB, and side opposite to angle B is AO, right? So I write here first AO, and angle A के सामने क्या है? OB. This is the first line, first statement. Second, you use again in triangle angle COD, right? Angle C is less than angle D. Side opposite to angle C is what? OD, and side opposite to angle D is OC. It is equation number 2, right? On adding 1 and 2, आप इनको ऐड करेंगे. On adding 1 and 2, we get, right? We get AO plus OD is less than OP plus OC, right? On adding AO और OD क्या मिल रहा है आपको? AD मिल रहा है. It is AD, and OP and OC से क्या मिल रहा है आपको? It is which gives you BC. Now it has come. Answer has come here, class. It is the answer, right? Now question over. Class, question number 4. देखिए, it is the one quadrilateral ABCD, right? In which AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. We have to prove angle A is more than angle C and angle B is more than angle D. Which this thing we have to prove. देखिए, this question has two parts. First, पहले हम prove करेंगे angle A is more than angle C. हम एक line join करेंगे, join A and C, join AC, right here, join AC, and यहाँ पर जो angles form होंगे वो numbers से हम represent कर लेंगे. It is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Clear? So you see, देखिए class, in triangle ABC में it is mentioned there AB is the smallest. अब अगर AB smallest है तो obviously BC बड़ी होगी. BC will be longer to AB, right? तो क्या mention करेंगे? BC is more than AB. Clear? Angle opposite to BC. BC के opposite कौन सा angle है? Angle 1 है. Right here angle 1. And angle opposite to AB कौन सा angle है? 3. Angle 3. It is equation number 1. Sorry, it is a statement number 1. 1 is angle 1 is more than 3. Again, you write. Also, you write the reason as well. Angle opposite to longer side is greater, right, class? It is the reason for this statement. Next, you are applying same thing in triangle triangle ACD. अब देखिए यहाँ मेंशन है CD is more than, हम कंपेयर किस पे करेंगे? हम कंपेयर उन दो साइड्स पे करेंगे जिसके अपोजिट आपको ये एंगल्स मिल जाए. ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है ना? देखिए CD लिया, CD का अपोजिट एंगल 2 है, एंड फिर आपको एंगल 4 लेना. एंगल 4 के अपोजिट एंगल सॉरी साइड AD है, तो आपको CD और AD में कंपेयर करना है, ठीक है? CD is more than AD. ओके, एंगल अपोजिट टू CD कौन सा बताइए? CD के अपोजिट एंगल 2, सो ये आपको हो गया एंगल 2, एंड AD के अपोजिट एंगल 4 है. एंगल 4 आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. सेम रीजन विल बी कॉपी डाउन हियर. सेम रीजन विल बी कॉपी डाउन हियर, राइट? अच्छा, अब आप ऐड करेंगे 1 and 2 को. ऑन एडिंग 1 and 2 वी गेट, क्या मिलेगा हमको? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is more than angle 3 plus angle 4. By the figure, you see angle 1 and 2 is angle A is more than, and 3 and 4 is angle C, right? Plus, first thing has proved. It has proved. You copy down the whole content, right? And now I'm going to do the next one. Angle B is more than angle D. The next one I am going to do, you see, I just remove this figure. Again, I draw the figure. It is AB, BC and CD, A, B, C and D, right? Class, for proving B is more than D, now join BD. अब आप BD को join करेंगे, join BD, and you angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Clear? Again, process एकदम सेम रहेगा. In triangle A, B and D, A, B, D, right? A, B shortest है. आप कंपेयर करेंगे इन दो साइड्स को, यहां आपको मिलेगा AD is more than AB. Plus you understand the concept. Don't you learn the problem? You do not learn the problem. You learn the concept. क्या कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट कहां पर अप्लाई होगा, आपको ये लर्न करना है कि आप कहां पर किसे कंपेयर करेंगे, आप ये लर्न करें, राइट? यू डोंट लर्न द क्वेश्चन तो देयर इनफाइनाइट प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. तो अब देखिए एबीडी में आपने कंपेयर किया एडी एंड एबी को, एडी इज मोर देन एबी. अब एडी के अपोजिट कौन सा है? एडी के अपोजिट एंगल 1 है, एंगल 1 कम हियर, एंगल 1 इज मोर देन एंड एबी के अपोजिट एंगल 4 है, एंगल 4 कम्स हियर. रीजन क्या होगा? एंगल अपोजिट टू एंगल opposite to longer side is greater. Longer side is greater. Class, okay class? It is the reason. Again you applying in triangle B, C and D. अब इसीलिए मैं आप लोग अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा हूं क्या करना है. आपको एंगल साइड लेना है BC and CD. ये डायगोनल साइड आपको नहीं लेना है. So here CD is more than BC. Right? Side angles opposite to CD is angle 2 and BC के opposite क्या है? Angle 3. Right? Now adding it is equation number 1. It is statement 1. It is statement 2. Right? Right here on adding 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is more than angle 3 plus angle 4. Clear? Angle 1 plus 2 will gives you angle B is more than angle D, right? Second part now it is hence proved. Angle B is more than angle D. Class इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए इन फिगर PR is more than PQ and PS bisect angle QPR. Means ये जो एंगल है ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है. मैंने इस एंगल को एंगल 1 से रिप्रेजेंट कर लिया है, इस एंगल को एंगल 2 से. क्या? दिस एंगल आई रिप्रेजेंट एंगल 3 एंड इट इज एंगल 4, राइट? आफ्टर दिस क्लास what thing is mentioned here? The first thing is mentioned PS bisect angle QPR. क्लास देखिए मैथमेटिक्स में किसी भी क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. वन पार्ट इज गिवन एंड वन पार्ट टू बी फाइंड आउट और टू बी प्रूव्ड. क्लियर? तो आपको पहले क्वेश्चन मैथमेटिक्स में आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है विच पार्ट इज गिवन, दिस पार्ट टू बी प्रूव्ड. तो यहाँ पर दिस इज द गिवन पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट टू बी प्रूव आउट. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन दी क्लास. अब देखिए इसमें एंगल 1 इज इक्वल एंगल 2 बिकॉज PS बाइसेक्ट एंगल P. अब क्या लिखेंगे? एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2, राइट? इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. The next statement, PR is more than PQ, right? It is a PR and it's a PQ. And hold the triangle. You see, if the PR is more than PQ, then what I will get? We can say angle opposite to PR. Which one angle? The angle 3. It is opposite to angle PR, and angle 4. It is opposite to angle. Angle 3 is opposite to side PR and angle 4 is opposite to side PQ. So right here देखिए आप PR पे देखिए, PR के opposite angle 3 है, आप यहाँ लिखेंगे angle 3 and PQ के opposite angle 4 है, you write here angle 4. Clear? अब आप क्या करेंगे? 1 and 2 दोनों इक्वल है, तो अगर आप इसको ऐड करते हैं, इन दोनों इक्वल से आप यहाँ पे ऐड कर देते हैं, तो इसमें इस इनइक्वालिटी में कोई डिफरेंट कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. तो you write here, we write here angle 1 plus angle 3 and angle 4 plus angle 2. Clear? After this, class देखिए आपको पता होगा in a triangle exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. क्लियर, एक होती है ना प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल है। तो एंगल 3+1, एंगल 3+1 is equal to angle PSR. So write here angle PSR, right? And angle 2+4 is equal to angle PSQ. This one, angle PSQ, right? And this thing we have to prove. Now answer has come. Question over.